Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have here? These are hazelnuts. Hey, Mike Foster here. We got the hazelnuts. And this video is why you should eat hazelnuts. You know, these are grown all over the place, but I got these in Oregon on a recent trip, and they're delicious. But why should you eat them? Well, you know they're loaded with fiber and they're loaded with protein. In fact, a half a cup will give you a great way to start your day with fiber and protein. And why else should you eat them? Hazelnuts are loaded with potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Well, what does that all mean to you? Well, it means good for your digestion. They can assist in weight loss. They can reduce your blood sugar, which is good for diabetes. They can help lower your cholesterol. I'm not kidding. They taste great. Like I mentioned earlier, half a cup will give you 10 grams of protein to start your day and 7 grams of fiber. They're an anti-inflammatory and they have antioxidants, which are good for your heart. It's good for your bones and your joints. It can also help with fighting certain cancers, and it's good for your cell health. Man, that's a lot for a little nut like this. Not a big nut like this guy. So check out hazelnuts. You can get them anywhere. No sodium, just roasted. I got these again from the Oregon coast, and I told you all those great reasons to eat them. And of course, the last reason, why? They taste good. Crunchy. They taste great with ice cream, desserts. You can throw them in salads, any way you want them. Eat hazelnuts. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
That these are good for your digestion. That's an outtake. Outtake, Chew. These aren't